Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre this Thursday. The hot spell continues over the western parts of South Africa, and after a bit of rain overnight along the KZN coastline, we're expecting clearance this afternoon that will last for the next couple of days, but scattered thunderstorms are still likely over the KwaZulu-Natal interior later on. There's also a 60% chance of thunderstorms on the Highveld, with a 40% chance of storms over the southern Limpopo region, Gauteng and in northwest as well, with a very low risk of storms over the northeastern parts of the Northern Cape. Now, with a high pressure system dominating the circulation in the east, the onshore flow persists. We're expecting mostly cloudy, cooler weather in the Lowveld. That also provides fuel for afternoon thunderstorms on the Highveld. Meanwhile, this also aids in easterly offshore circulation towards the west coast, and that's what's causing the very hot and dry conditions at the moment. The South African Weather Service also warns against a high fire danger over the western half of South Africa, with runaway fires possible. Taking a look at the wind forecast for today, there's a fresh southeasterly forecast for Cape Town with strong winds along the eastern Cape coastline. The northeaster freshens in Durban to reach a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Otherwise, winds remain light over the eastern interior. Very hot conditions today over much of South Africa. 41 degrees in Upington, upper 30s in Vredendal and Springbok. Cape Town reaching a high of 34, but it's cooler along the eastern Cape coastline with a high of 26 in Port Elizabeth and mid to upper 20s in KwaZulu-Natal as well, while Bombela reaches a high of 27 degrees. Consequently, overnight lows remain high over much of the country, mid to upper teens but lower 20s in Upington. Springbok dropping to a low of 25 overnight, 18 degrees in George and Cape Town, 20 in East London on Friday morning, and Durban and Richards Bay both with lower 20s as well. In Johannesburg this afternoon, there's a 40% chance of thunderstorms. We're expecting a daytime high of 29 degrees with light northeasterly winds. Tonight we lose the risk of rain and we're expecting an overnight low of 15 degrees. On Friday, it will remain partly cloudy and hot in the east, while we're expecting dry conditions over southern and western South Africa, Cape Town reaching a maximum of 35 degrees. On Saturday, it becomes slightly cooler along the western Cape coastline, but we're expecting very hot conditions over the rest of the Cape provinces. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful day.